My name is Viviana Marcela Rodríguez Jiménez. Ramon is fishing the plants. She goes out to talk to Don Ramon. Florinda chums at Don Ramon. He hits the chilindrina. She is cringing. He is running. He is fixing the plants. He is water to the tubes. They dance in the house. They is jumping in the hat. They launch at things. He has black dress and bag. Drinking blackberry wish. She celebrates Don Ramon's birthday. Drinking blackberry wish to spalt. He is crying. Ciao. Ciao is gives beautiful flowers to the children. Ciao gives beautiful flowers to the children's flooring. She hits the teacher on the fingers. She is crying. Thank you.